What's up, guys? We're here in South Dakota. We're at Black Elk Peak. This is the tallest peak in South Dakota. It's like about 7,000 feet. It used to be called Harney Peak, but they changed it to Black Elk Peak, and so it's about 6 mile round trip, and it's gonna be 4 to 5 hours. And so we're gonna make it to the top of the tallest peak in South Dakota. So let's go. Oh, this stuff. That's nice. About 90% of y'all that watch my videos aren't subscribed, and so just hit that subscribe button. Like, I don't know why you weren't. It's just a red button that says subscribe, so just press it. Like this, you just press the button, and like I'm so close to 2,000 subscribers, so you might as well just press the button and give me 2,000 subscribers. And thank you for all you guys' support. I'm out of breath. Guys, check out like this beautiful wilderness. Like, look at this view and all these cool pine trees and stuff. Looks so cool. All right, so we're at this bench right here. It says the South Dakota State High Point Harney Peak lies directly across the valley at 7,242 feet. So right across there. The tree might be blocking it, but oh, it's right here. Look at it. Hey guys, go follow me on TikTok at Walker's Big Adventures and follow me there. So yeah, guys, right now I'm at 8,000 followers. So just smash that follow button and help me get to 10,000 followers, and then yeah, I'll be super sick after then. Alright guys, so if you ever lost in the mountains or anything and you're trying to find a way to get water, this little creek right here, this would be perfect. It's like filtering down through all this mountain water. And if you're ever in a survival situation, you never ever drink still water, because if there's wiggle worms or something, you don't want to drink that. This is good spring water, and see how it's moving. You want to have the water that's the most moving. So like, if I were to drink this water, I'd probably pick up here because it's moving fast and bacteria's not going to get in here. And this is ice cold water, so this probably will be safe enough to drink if you're in a survival situation and you really need it to. So just a cool tip to know. And yeah, going down up here.
Not very photogenic.
Here. All right, guys, check out my Turtleman call. After I do that, we're gonna insert a clip of him doing it. So ready? Yeah. Live action, come get you some Turtleman style. Yeah.
All right, yeah, all right.
Yeah!
Way to go, buddy. Man, what a turtle. That's live action, yeah! Woo! Good job.
Another state.
Looks like we're getting close to the top, dude.
Guys, check out how cool this is. You can see like all the layers of mountains, and you can see for miles and miles. It's so beautiful. Like you can see for so far out.
Are we facing the south?
Like, if the camera can't really tell, but like, it's amazing.
Oh no, you're getting up off the Too far.
Too far.
Yeah,
Plus landing on that edge thing there would be good.
Alright guys, so we just made it through that tunnel right there, and then this little area where you can look out, and then there's some steps up here, and you go through these ladders like a zigzag, and then there's like a tower up there we'll show you. And then there's this other cool little cave right in here. Go straight. Go straight down. Alright guys, this is the top. There's this castle thing, and there's this Harney Peak lookout, and we're gonna go in here. It's like a light tower, and there's a downstairs and there's an upstairs. First we're gonna go upstairs and we'll go downstairs. Alright guys, we're at the top of the lookout tower. We came up these super steep steps up here, and then we got to this cool platform. Look at all this, is just so beautiful. All these windows. I wish there weren't any windows, but it's amazing. We're officially the tallest people in South Dakota. 7,242 feet, I think. Wow, this is so cool. Like, my hat is the tallest hat in South Dakota. And so, yeah, this is amazing. This view is just, like, mind-boggling. And, yeah, just, I don't even know. Yeah, we're going to go downstairs now. All right, guys, we're going to go down these stairs down here. This is like an old area, like I don't know, like storage area. I guess it looks like this might be like some living quarters, and we're gonna go out here and get over to these other rocks. This is so sweet. Alright guys, so we got to this little like sewage area, water, I don't know, and so I'll see you guys when we start making our trek back down. Alright guys, we started our descent down from the top, and we've probably gone a half a mile since we've been at the top, and we got like 3 more to go, and yeah, we'll catch you back up in a little bit. Yeah. Put that in there, Jeff. Alright guys, so right here, this big rock formation here is called Little Devil's Tower. And this is in South Dakota, and in Wyoming there's a Big Devil's Tower. It's like a big monument. I think it might be part of a state park, and that's like a miniature one. But in the Devil's Tower, it's like there's like a story where like the Indians were getting chased by a bear. This is in Wyoming, and they like went to like this rock or a tree stump, and as the bear got closer, like the tree stump like grew, and the bear was like clawing on like the tree stump or like the rock or whatever. And that's why like in the one in Wyoming there's big, like it looks like there's like bear claws, like it's like super huge, it's really tall. And this is like a miniature one in South Dakota.
His name is Chipper. Hey, Chipper.
Alright guys, so come down here, we're almost down to the sign, the beginning of the trailhead, and there's a cool lake up here, we'll show you that too, and so yeah. Alright guys, we made it. We're down by the sign where we started, a total like 6 miles, I think, to 7,242 feet. And we're gonna go film the intro down here by this really beautiful lake over here. And yeah. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video of the Harney Peak, 7,242 feet, highest point in South Dakota. And go follow me on TikTok and subscribe. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. And yeah, just this beautiful view. And yeah, stay tuned for more cool videos.